So remember in our units previous to this one, we looked at several sets of identities. We had our quotient identities. These are in your cheat sheet, so you should be familiar with all of them. The quotient identities were tangent is equal to sine over cosine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. And our three Pythagorean identities. Now, we haven't spent a lot of time with these, but I do want you to realize that sine squared plus cosine squared of any theta value that is the same will always equal 1. And if I wanted to isolate sine of theta, what would I have to do to get this alone? I would subtract cosine squared theta. So another identity that can be created from this very easily is that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta. We could also get cosine by itself by subtracting sine, and that would give us 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta. We could take the tangent squared theta and isolate it by moving the 1, which would give us secant squared theta minus 1 equals tangent squared theta. And we can isolate the cotangent squared theta to where we would have cotangent squared theta equals cosecant squared theta minus 1. So we have 6 different identities that we can use, 6 different identities that we can use in Pythagorean identities for substitution.